Hi guys, this is Slayer 1978-007. Doing the second part to my Ford 351 modified build-up video. Finally got the engine complete and assembled. Also installed a new water pump, new high flow fuel pump, mechanical, new Elderbrock intake. A little crusty from sitting around the garage, but actually is a brand new intake. Put a stud kit on the valve covers and oil pan. They even put header studs on it too. New motor mounts. Installed the camshaft, timing gear set. Should be a good runner. Got a new set of heads, comp cam, dual valve spring set up. I think the open pressure is about 330 pounds. Pretty hefty set of springs. That's why I had to put the comp cam push rods in there. It's the last time I cranked this motor up a long time ago before it messed up, bent some push rods, and decided to wipe the cam on it. I'm gonna make that mistake twice. And I also got a gauge set for it, my oil pressure, temperature, and alternator. Got a 2-inch carb spacer. And I also purchased some 3-inch blocks for the back. I've already done lifted the front. I just had to get some blocks to finish up my lift kit on it. Got a new alternator. And finished up my headers. Remember the headers I had to whack up to make them work to my 4x4. And I finished the engine pretty much. It's complete, ready to go in. Next video will be with it running, hopefully. Hopefully running good, that is. It's the Ford 351 modified build-up, and I finally completed the engine. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Slayer 1978-007. Thanks for watching.